The salary you are getting, you need to ichukue yote for the next 30 years, consolidate it. Most of you have like 30 working years now. The money you get, actually tuseme utakuwa umekuwa promoted, so you can even double it. The salary you are getting today, take per year times 30 and even double it. Then try to see if that is the only income you will have, whether you are already trapped in a low level equilibrium, where the competition is not about who is making it. The competition is in this below poverty line, who is ahead, but you are still below the radar. And I think even our economy, Kenya, to grow, we have to think like how Chinese started thinking, South Koreans and the rest. There is no way a young man and a young lady in this hall is looking for investment to give them 10% per year, and we want Kenyan economy to grow at 15% per year. And the economy is an amalgamation of all what we want to do. So you have to think beyond the ordinary. You must start now, stop thinking about the nice things, just getting a job. The worst you can do, buy a plot because that never loses value. That's what you are told. Number 3, the farthest you can do is to buy a treasury board because, you know, government never defaults. Then that is normal. Those are normal things. Normal thing, buy a plot is normal. Treasury bill is normal. So you have already decided you'll be normal. So I have no quarrel with you. Then continue with what you are doing. But we need some more energy, some more thinking. And this is the hierarchy I see as in terms of Kenya today. The hierarchy of investments. Those who have some little background in business. In Kenyan opportunities today for investments, my thinking. And I'm not telling you to do that Monday. I'm telling you to also think and make your own determination. If you give me a choice between buying a bank meaning, I'm not saying you buy the entire bank, a proportion of the bank. Between a bank that is already selling in the Nairobi Securities Exchange and the one that is not selling. The one with listed shares, the one that is not listed. The one that is listed is already very cheap in Kenya today. All listed companies in Kenya are so cheap, majority. Sijui kama naongea kiri kama tunasikana kiasi. Any investment you want to do today in Kenya, you are likely to get a huge discount by going to the auction. Stock markets are auctions. Because the economy of Kenya, the stock market in Kenya for many years has been bearish. Shares zikashuka. After kushuka, even last minimums zimekuwa zikipanda, but they are still cheap. And the ones that give as options, I'm not telling you to go buy. I'm telling you to investigate further. Let me put here a bank called Family Bank. No, I know what you want me to say. And let me also put on this other side, Kenya Commercial Bank. Now, Family Bank representing an unlisted bank. Banks are measured in several ways. And I'm already talking to you about how to. I'm already thinking you will take interest in buying shares. So when you are evaluating, in a bank there's something called core capital. Core capital is, if you wanted to start a bank as 10 people, we all raise. Let's assume to start a bank in Kenya you need 10 million. Assuming. So tuko 10, tuchage kila mtu 1 million. So we already have capital to start a bank. That's called core capital. Now, when you are buying shares in the Nairobi Securities Exchange, the value you get, how the company is valued, is called market capitalization. Market capitalization is, yes, our capital is 10 million, but since this company is listed, if you buy all the shares, how much is it? In Kenya today, A bank like KCB is trading at 70% of the capital, meaning it is trading at a discount of 30%. There is a bank called Diamond Trust Bank. Diamond Trust Bank. It is trading, they have a core capital of 95 billion. If you bought all the shares of Diamond Trust Bank today, it would cost you 32 billion. So it is trading at over 68% of discount. So you look at discount and you look at premium. The others, you realize they are trading at a higher value than they ought. Hey, today is an evening, we took dinner. This is too much maneno. But I'm just trying to say, think beyond that. Think beyond treasury bills. Think beyond treasury boards. When you think about shares, engage your mind to think about this. Look at the global economy. It will not take you too long. Look at how it is. Then come to Kenya. Look at how it is. Then you can cascade that to sector. Look at the sectors that are growing. For example, in Kenya, you don't struggle to know the financial sector is growing at a more rapid rate than the economy. So, if you are looking at the shares to buy, you likely not go too long to look at the financial industry. I saw the other day that the bank reported a 32% rise in profit when the economy is growing at 4.7%. Because the bank is expanding beyond Kenya. So they are bringing money they are making from DRC to benefit a local shareholder. That a guy in Tanzania is getting into Equity Bank branch is already putting money into you as a shareholder in Kenya. So you look at those kind of things. And I'm talking about people who went to school for 6 years to become doctors. You can afford a day to study the investments you want to do, so that at the basic, you see whether you have a high degree of being right or wrong. Look at KCB. I'm not recommending, I'm saying you go do. Look at the insurance industry. The beauty about our stock market is that it is segmented. There are shares in agricultural sector, zinaitwa agriculturals. Others in automotive. Banks are banks on their own. So go and study. There are gold mines. And I'm not talking to you theoretical, because I do it myself.